good afternoon, good midday, wherever you're watching this. Welcome to Curtis LSA YouTube channel. My name is Matt. We're cruising down to a Commodore Meet today. It's 23 degrees, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Nice sunny winter's day in Queensland. So yeah, cruising down to a Commodore Meet down at a suburb called Yatala, which is about 30 k's south of Brisbane. So yeah, cruising down there. I'm not actually running this meet, so I just saw it pop up on Facebook midweek, so we'll cruise down there, get some cruising videos back. We're cruising back north to a suburb called Redcliffe once we've met down south. If you look just to the right there, you can see Brisbane on the right. So for those people who have not been to Brisbane before, we're cruising south. This is the Gateway Bridge and the city's on the right hand side there. So this is a tolled bridge as well. You see the toll points up here. So yeah, cruising down there, we'll get some videos, get some cruising shots coming back as well. And I hope you like the video. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So the servo's just here on the left, just pulling in now. I think meet time was 2 o'clock from memory. Let's see how many people are here already. Being a low HSV, you want to watch the speed humps. I think there's speed humps in here. Love turning heads when you drive into a car park. There. Nice Calais with a nice little charger on it. What is this? Is this alchemy colour? I think it is.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it's an SS with a HSV front end. I think that's definitely on bags, that is. Nice VP. There's the VP, and the VX is the only Commodore I've not owned out of a whole range of Commodores.
Right.
This was renowned for their tail lights leaking at the back, the VN and the VP series. Yep.
DK.
Some pink plates for you. Right. You sure? There was a guy driving it. Club Sport here. us. Got a Club Sport in the right hand lane. Got a, looks like an SV6 ute, black ute, sitting in front of the Calais. Got me mate Travis sitting in the back there. I don't know where Doug is. Haven't seen him. Actually, that might be him back there, right in the distance. I can see a Calais back there. So yeah, cruising north towards the Gateway Bridge, and then onwards to Redcliffe from there. Heading off to the Scarborough boat ramp, and I think I might have done another video there once before. I've done quite a few photos there. If you're actually wanting some photos, especially from the Instagram page, and or some photos that I've posted, be sure to message me at the Facebook page. I'll put the link in the description below. So yep, cruising north, and yeah, let's go up there. Might be able to get some shots with no sun in the way. So yeah, a couple of Commodores in front of us. We've got possibly a Amiga at the front there, the white one. We've got a S, so an Executive SV6 in front of that. We've got a Club Sport in front of that, and we have a SS white VE in front of me, and we've got a Calais, no sorry, and a Vogue coming up the right hand side. I don't know if he's part of us. Doesn't look like it. Club Sport there, SV6 there, and an Amiga there. There we go. This is going over the bridge to Redcliffe. Always give it a little boot. Nothing wrong with giving it a little boot. So yeah, cruising across the Houghton Highway, or Houghton Highway, however you want to pronounce it, towards Redcliffe and Scarborough. Look at these beautiful Australian-made vehicles. Here, one there, and another one in the right-hand lane, and another one behind me. What could be better? Cruising along with some Australian-made vehicles. None of this front-wheel drive stuff that's made from overseas and sent over here. Beautiful cars. Something missing. There's normally something there, isn't there?
There's normally something there that's missing.
Yeah.
Oh, I live in a house that's like, it's full of rain on the ground, and a patio, and then train tracks on the and then some afternoon.
Oops, I think the tide's gone out and caught old mate by surprise. Sorry about the wind noise. What?
Did you see that? Are you planning to cut that clear around
Is he part of our group? It's alright, it's all good. that's the meet all done. Wasn't anything special, honestly. It was just a 30 odd cars getting together. Sunset going down there. So thanks for tuning in to the channel, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here as well. The subscribe button's about here, I think. Hopefully got that angle right. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.